guys, it's Pallavi. Welcome to Face and Colors. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do a glowy, dewy, sun-kissed sort of makeup look. Just to inform you, I also have my account over Instagram where I share a lot of makeup tips and tricks. So if you like to catch me there, Face and Color is my Instagram handle. Before starting tutorial, please subscribe if you still haven't and hit the bell icon to be notified for more such tutorials. So let's begin with the video. Now first of all, I am prepping up my skin with Sugar Bling Leader Illuminating Moisturizer. This moisturizer has a little bit of sheen to it and so it provides a radiant looking skin which is must for today's look. After prepping the skin with the illuminating moisturizer, I am applying a warm tone concealer to hide my under eye dark circles and also where I have pigmentation on face. And the concealer I have used here is the Magic Wand Waterproof Concealer from Sugar. All the products I am using in this video and for this look are from Sugar Cosmetics and no other brand. It's a one brand makeup tutorial. Now for the foundation, I have used Ace of Face Foundation Stick, a very beautiful dewy foundation with high coverage payoff and a very little quantity goes a long way. So I first applied the foundation dotting all over my face but not blending as of now. Then used the contour stick and applied where I need sculpting on the face like in the jawlines, under the neck and the nose. After putting the foundation and contour on face, I am spraying the newly launched setting mist with SPF 30 all over face and then started blending the foundation. Spraying the mist at this stage makes a lot of difference. Like first, it helps in blending like anything. Second, it provides a beautiful glow and third, it hydrates the skin further. After foundation, I am blending the cream contour in jawline, neck and nose. Can you notice how easily the foundation and contour is blending? It's because of the mist that we have sprayed before this step. Now it's time to highlight the high points of the face and for that I have again used the Magic Wand Concealer but it is way too lighter than the previous one which I have used to hide the darkness and pigmentation of the face. That shade was Brave and this light shade is named as Cone Leash. All the products I have used in this video are mentioned in the description along with their shade name if you like to have a look. Then I am using the Damp Beauty Blender to blend the highlights. Now in order to keep the dewiness intact, I am not using any powder or compact over the face. But just to avoid any creases that occurs by the use of concealers and foundation, I am using a very little amount of banana setting powder under the eyes and the smile lines and leaving the rest of the face as is. For blush, I am again not going for the powder blush but preferring cream based blush and for that I have used the Plush Crush Cream Crayon in the shade Peach Pixie. For highlighter also I have used a jelly highlighter and applied with a finger and then blended it with the Damp Beauty Blender. Then to lock the face makeup at place, I am using the same setting spray. For lips, I have first used the cream crayon in the shade which I have used for blush, that's Peach Pixie, and used a gloss over in the shade Velma Pinkly so that it adds to the glowy look. Now I am starting with the eye makeup. I will be doing a very simple eyeshadow look which will be needing just two shadows, one matte and one shimmer. So first of all, I have taken the brown matte shade and with large fluffy brush I am applying in the crease and the outer corner. For the eyeshadow base, I have used the light concealer and I have shaped the eyebrows off camera using 3-in-1 Brow Shaper. If you like to watch the eyebrow tutorial, please find it in the I button in the upper right corner. Then using the same shadow for the lower lash line. Now for the second shade, I have taken the golden sort of shimmer shade and I am applying it with the help of flat brush. Now if you apply shimmer shade with flat brush, it won't give you maximum pigment. So the catch is, you need to damp your brush with the setting spray first and then apply the shimmer shade. It will give you the blinding pigment that way. Now to complete the look, I have put the very natural lashes. You can also end up with the mascara itself. It's totally your choice. So here's the final sun-kissed, glass skin, dewy, or you can call it glowy makeup look, best for the winters. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments how you felt about this look. Also hit the like and subscribe button so that you can watch more of different makeup looks from Face and Colors. So I hope to find you in my next video as well. Till then, see ya.